All right, this is the notes for 4.10. We're going to be graphing some trig functions, and I did not like how the guy in the videos on Delta Math explains it. He makes it way more complicated than it needs to be. So we're going to have to set some scales here for the x and the y axis, and then all we have to do is graph one cycle of the trig functions. Normally, 1 is all you need to count by for the y-axis. Sometimes you'll get the functions that are shifted up or down and you can't fit all the numbers on there, so you might have to count by 2s or 5s or 10s or something like that. But then for the x-axis, since we're just doing one cycle, we just need to find what the period would be. And to do that, remember we put this here, 2 pi divided by whatever our b is, and our b is the number multiplied by x, so that'd be 8. That reduces down to pi over 4. So then I would, I don't know, let's see if it lets me, pi, there we go, pi over 4. Done. Okay, so all it's going to do is count by ones here on the y-axis and then give me this dot of pi over 4. Now you're just clicking points. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Okay, so since there's no plus or minus on the end here, that means that our midline is here on the x-axis. We have an amplitude of 2. And then my sine graphs look like this, where they start at the midline, so middle, and I just go every box I'm making this pattern. Middle, high, I need to go up to 2 since that's the amplitude, back to middle, to low would be down 2, and then end up at middle. And then I take this dot, I don't know if it'll let me, I can't, hold on. It does not. Okay, I want to take. Okay, well, you get the gist. All I have to do is take that blue dot and drag that here to where my function stopped. I don't know why that's not letting me. That's really making me mad. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but you need to take that blue dot and drag that there. All right, done with that one. Okay, let's try another one. This time, we've got 6 sine of 3/5 x minus 6. So we are going to have a vertical shift. Hopefully counting by 1 will be good enough. And then let's figure out what our cycle is going to stop at. So I'm going to take 2 pi divided by, or times, the reciprocal of 3/5, which is 5/3, and I get 10 pi over 3. And so that's what I would put in this box. I'm struggling with this. That doesn't seem like the right symbol, does it? This one? Okay, and then done. So this time my midline is down here, and I'm doing a sine function. So I would need to start right there. That would be my midline. And my amplitude is 6. Well, 6 above that would be putting me at the x-axis, and then I need to go back to middle. Ooh, I need to go down 6. So actually, yeah, this doesn't work. So I need to reset this and have this be counting by 2, and have this be my 10 pi over 3. Okay, so try again. Start down here, add -6, go up 6 units, back to middle, down 6 units would put me at -12, back to middle. So imagine my midline going through here, and then I would drag, I'm sure it won't let me, nope, drag that blue dot onto the x-axis right here where the function stops. And that's all you have to do.